Hi everybody, welcome to Getting Plastic with Jerry. Today I'm going to show you how to make the toilet paper felt roll ornament. Really easy. I know I tell you guys that all the time. This really is easy though. All right. Instead of me naming off everything and taking up all that time, I'm just going to say them as I use them, because I know that takes up a lot of time and I don't want to drag it on out. So, I've got my felt. I got that from Walmart. They also have one with glitter, but I just went with just the plain. You can put some glitter on there if you want. The inner piece I'm going to use today is going to be the roll that come inside of my baker's twine. My little angle square here is 1 inch on this piece. I'd cut that 1 inch using my utility knife. I want my toilet paper to be 1 inch also. So you want to do it the long way, not the shorter one. Unless you're almost out of toilet paper and you want to have you a little one. Mark there. And make sure I stay in frame for everybody. Right there. Move my little toilet out the way. Isn't this cute? I got that at Dollar Tree too. And put this on there and I drilled holes in. I'm going to hang that on my tree. 2020. I do an ornament every year and put the year on it to remember something special from the year. Okay, got my little roller cutter. I'm lined up with my 2 dots that I made for them to be 1 inch wide. Love this thing. So cool. Thank you, Dayla. She's a lifesaver. Okay, take that out of the way. I am done with that. Got scotch tape. Cut off a piece. This is also about 1 inch. We're doing a lot of 1 inch today, sounds like. Okay, put it onto your felt and then onto your little cardboard tube. And if you can't find one of these, you could also use a roll of actual toilet paper and cut it small and tape it first and then do this. You can also use a little wooden spool. That's what I have on top of the toilet. This toilet. See? And I painted it white. And I didn't like the white paint, so I thought this would be cuter. What you guys think? Like this one better, or do you like the little wooden one? Oh, and you can see my dots. We'll get rid of those. The reason you can see that, because that was from where I made this video a few minutes ago and my husband accidentally deleted it. And I've done this a few times. Practice makes perfect. That's what they say, right? I love you, honey. Thank you for editing my videos. Okay, my needle and thread. I keep my needle on a magnet. That way, when I go to put it down, it goes right to it. Pretty cool. I love that. And if I drop it while I'm doing something, it goes right down. Okay, figure out how long you want it to be. Go on the inside by the inner spool. Come out. You're going to kind of want that to go in a little bit so you don't see it. Tuck it in. And almost right where it came out at, go back in. And this is just going to secure it in place to keep it from unraveling on you. Now on the inside of the material, I'm going to go across, come out to the other side, and I'm going to do the same thing over here. 1 and 2. That's it. Needle on the magnet. Cut. Now for our little decorations. To hang it, I used the baker's twine. And it's on here because I wanted my little spool so badly. And there's a few on here, as you can see, because I've done this a few times for the video. Just put it through. There's a little knot. I'm not sure what that little ravel knot is called. Okay, get all that out of the way. Those I'm going to need again. We're going to make our holly. I am using the Tulip Slick puff paint. You can get that over where tie-dye stuff is at for t-shirts. Okay, so just make my holly. I'm going to do little points going out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You kind of color that in a little bit. In frame, yeah. My screen is above my head for me to see if I'm in frame for you guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, little holly. For the little berries, I'm going to be using Crafter's Square, Dollar Tree of course, gemstones. They come on little stickies, but I've already got the stickies off. Tacky glue. When it dries, you won't be able to see any of that. Want to make sure you put enough so that way it's going to stick good. Okay, that's one thing I've dropped so far. That's why I don't want to do a live video, because I am very clumsy. Okay, and then just kind of press it down. Right, so now you got your holly and your little berries. Now we're going to do our 2020. Looks like we're leaking on here too. Please don't come out. Green is not wanting to come out. It's clogged up. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, there we go. And that's it, guys. Easy peasy. Told you guys this would be a really easy one. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Happy holidays. Thumbs up.